I got the camera this morning, so the vlog is gonna start with me. We're at the crib, getting ready to go, but it is 8. Oh shoot! It is 8:26, so I gotta hurry up and get ready. Let's do it. All right. Oh, I'm not in focus. Hold on. Yeah. All right. So off, headed out. I'm about to head out of here. We are about 24 minutes away. We're going to shoot a turf installation with Playwright today. Fun fact: I forgot to charge my V-mount battery, and it's at 4%. So yeah. See you there.
I feel like my oof. I told them out of my way. I don't got nothing to say. Now they can't run at my pace. Yeah, they know that we ain't the same. 402, we rap the game. I told them this ain't a game.
These houses are freaking huge. Huge. I'm looking at the viewfinder. We made it. Now I'm gonna see what Ron's up to. I think he's flying the drone right out here. Maybe. Wait. There he is. Go butt shot there. Here we go.
We're out in Arcadia, one of the richest subdivisions in Hawksville. This is where the money's at. So it's a lot of fun to come out here to see the architecture. Every single one of these houses is like a minimum of 5 mil. So we're gonna do lots of drone. I mean, if you look around, this place is insane. So we're gonna go do our thing and then get started.
Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun. Hello, sunshine. Bad guys have more fun.
What's your white balance this morning? I haven't set it yet. Okay, I don't know what that camera's at. Let's check the white balance. It doesn't say. It's at 5,500 on this one.
Well, that was already like that. I
You
didn't
want to just set it to 55? It looks good on that one.
I mean, it looks a little hot. I put mine on 45, and this is what it looks like. So, I mean,
Okay, we'll do 45 then. Where's the white balance button? You said what? 45? Yeah, that's good. All right, 9 degrees. No. So,
well, what to start with?
I still got to set up this time lapse.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's so fancy.
It just looks cool when it does that. So,
Are we filming it on your 3?
yeah.
What a house, dude. This is...
Yeah, it's crazy. Good God. I put that on auto. Look what it did.
Oh, hell.
Got the time lapses going. I need to go home and buy a lottery ticket.
The only way.
Yeah, it really is. My new drone that goes 100 miles an hour.
My new drone that goes 100 miles an hour.
See what I can do. Like just play around out here. You want to talk on camera?
Yep.
Work on that follow through.
Man, are we promoting the pool at all?
So this one with the big projects, the B-roll is going to basically be everything. We're just going to show off how massive these projects are that he works on.
All right.
So like if you're doing a $10 million house, they're the go-to turf guys. So I'm going to fly like the FPV all around everything. Ready? As soon as he's done, we'll do it in between his cutting. If you don't got a Lambo, they kick you out.
I feel like you're talking shit.
No, I need to show you. We were talking about him, but I was watching you. When you're doing low down stuff, more buttery.
Buttery.
Buttery slow-mo.
Buttery. But I thought I was better at a gimbal until I met this.
All right, you ready? And action.
What's up, guys? We are back in Arcadia at this amazing new construction build. We have been through a lot.
All right, one more for safety. And action.
Beautiful new construction.
That's tape myself.
What's up, guys? We are back in Arcadia.
That should be the new profile picture for the Instagram.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
Him? He's cutting tiles to fit
Oh,
probably a bathroom or a kitchen in there.
keeps beeping at me.
How many bathrooms do you think this house has?
5.
30? 40?
I didn't know this did this.
Action.
What's up, guys? We are back in Arcadia.
You should jump in the bull.
Melissa keeps talking about the Playwright ice something.
Polar plunge.
The Playwright polar plunge.
It should be like, come check this out, and then you do a cannonball.
We're gonna start from the top. All right. I don't want to have to worry about that fast drone crashing into that one.
That fast drone crashed into that one. That fast drone crashed into that one.
If you will,
You want me just to go around the neighborhood?
just get some pretty shots.
All right.
Yeah, get some cinematic shit for the vlog.
All right. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down. Just because I already got some earlier, so. Oh,
Is that the fast drone?
yes.
No.
Somewhat. That's the fast one.
Oh, geez, that thing is light.
That's him. He flies those things.
That's him. He flies those things. That's him. He flies these things.
Soon enough. I had one. Funny though, he kind of looks like he's in like a post-apocalyptic cyberpunk movie or something.
Should I move the vlog camera? I'm coming. There he's going. Yes. I'm gonna move you. Going over here. That's how it lands. Stupidest thing ever. I don't know if I'll hurt it, but Ryan's the TV in the air, and this like worker just went, what the f-? That thing makes me nervous, watching it land.
That's it for so long.
Is that fast enough for you?
Is that fast enough for you? Is that fast enough for you?
There it goes.
Does it maneuver? Can it turn quickly or? It does switches it. Yeah, especially over the water.
Yeah, no. Oh no. Oh no. No way, right?
Does it auto return?
No. I know the general area where it was though.
Does it have camera at all?
If it loses signal, camera's out. I can fly the Mini 4 and see if I can find it. Ryan just freaking lost his drone and now it's my job to find it. Are we serious right now? All right.
You know whereabout was it?
It's right over that hill. About to find out if I can find it. But that was, oh my God. Yeah, first time flying it. Let's go find it. What if someone shot it out of the air? I think that'd make my day. It's in the water.
Did it record?
Yeah, it records. That's why he was using it. I'm thinking he flew it in the water. I really do. Because it wouldn't have lost signal that close away. I want to find him. There he is.
Does the GoPro upload to anything? Like
You would have to get it from the GoPro.
get it from the GoPro?
Yeah, and he didn't. I know he didn't.
I know, like I've seen people like drop GoPro
Yeah.
posting or something.
But then they find that's the difference. He's not going to be able to find it. I don't even know where he is. Did he get your mic?
yes.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
Good looking out. Best of luck.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna call him later and see if he found it. I feel bad for him now.
I did too. I think your battery went out like mid-recording on this, but then I turned it back on and off and it was fine. Yeah. Well, I don't know if this got in. Ryan crashed the drone. Well, actually, he lost it.
I crashed the drone.
He lost it.
I lost the drone.
He was flying too fast. I think it's in the water. I don't know if that got on the past recording, but
I don't know. I mean, it was a clear line of sight,
yeah.
and it just completely just went black. It didn't even like give me. It didn't even give me like an orange low connection. It just went poof, gone.
What if somebody shot it out of the air?
Or the battery blew.
No way.
I don't know. This one's probably a little bit more in line with Forefront Media,
I guess, but
but still, yeah, $1,000 just.
oh, I can't find it. So back to it. I'm still in awe. That dude just lost the drone. Ain't just me. Ain't just me now, but mine's back at the house. So did he win or did I win?
Yeah, I just lost one in the water a second ago. I know. Big bummer. Playwright. Oh, you guys are the. He just did a big shout out on social media for you. Yeah.
And he's talking to somebody. I think.
Do you guys have social media? Do you want one? I mean, that's what he and I specialize in. Is we do social media management and and we do like portfolio building for like finish shoots and stuff.
I mean, it probably wouldn't be a bad idea, you know, I don't have any issues with my product now.
Yeah, I'm hoping I get to come back and do like a finish. Like,
That would be actually really nice. It would be good for John.
I guarantee I've probably shot some of your pools before.
I'm sure you have.
Yeah, I'd love to like grab coffee or something and then give you like the elevator pitch of what we actually do and show you some of our art. We can. He does sports, but I mean, honestly, it's all in the same realm. I'll message you when I get home.
What was your name?
I'm Ryan.
Ryan, I'm Mike. Yeah,
Nice to meet you. I've heard of him. Yeah, he does legit big pools. All right, round two. I don't think I'm gonna go over the water on this one. Oh, that's recording. Okay, good.
Better not be. What if he just saw like a bird have it in their mouth?
Kind of shaking,
It's maybe just yeashing.
maybe. So these are gunite. Do you know the difference? So Lloyd does fiberglass where it's like just a shell. This is gunite where they actually like dig the hole and then they shoot concrete at it.
Oh wow.
So gunite is like the expensive because you can customize the shape to like whatever you want.
Oh wow. So like if we wanted a forefront pool, we could make that. I just got all that dirt in my eye. Oh, it ain't bothering me. Yeah, it was you.
Hopefully the dog doesn't think I'm high. All the construction workers are watching, so you can't crash it. But too far.
I'm just going to the playwright truck. I'm gonna try and like do a loop. It's kind of windy too. I'm fighting that wind.
Oh my god. Almost just hit your own head.
But that's gonna be a beautiful loop.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a perfect shot. That's all I needed.
All right. I'm gonna get more B-roll just in case.
What all did you get with the 4 drone?
This morning? Or the Mini 4?
Yeah.
I got some pretty good stuff.
Did you get any like time, like hyperlapses or anything?
I don't know how to do that.
Okay.
But like I got like wide ass shots.
You got all the
Yeah.
the cinematic shots. Okay, I'm gonna do all the gimmicky ones then.
Okay. I'm gonna show mine. Yeah.
All right.
Just so we have closer faces and stuff.
So the big debate, would tell my wife or not.
Should Ryan tell his wife that he just crashed a $1,000 drone and
I did not crash it.
$400 GoPro?
I used up all the batters.
And I only used 2.
Yeah.
You didn't charge them all.
I'm gonna go home and charge everything before Smith,
The shade?
so I can see the screen.
Oh,
Put a stronger ND filter on this thing.
stronger. Just turn our shutter down.
No, that's what ND filters are for.
You're the one who turned the shutter down.
You got it on 500 and it's still over.
Yes. Turn the shutter back up.
I don't want to turn the shutter up. I want to turn the shutter down. So right now, the shutter speed's on 500
Yeah.
and I want it at 60.
Oh.
So I'm gonna take this 8 off and put 128 on, and then see how that looks.
All right, let's get through freaking pool so we can make some money. This is a nice little shot to wind. Get in the water here. Nice. Why is the gimbal tripping out? Get close up here.
Where are you? There you are. Should we move the vlog camera right here? We're just standing here.
Yes.
Hello, everybody.
Did you ever do like those auto shots?
I'm not an auto guy. That looks weird.
But it's taking pictures.
Oh.
So what it does is, I'll show you. It's gonna make it here in a second. Let's check this out.
Checking. Oh, your little oval that's going on.
Wish you could do this vertically.
Oh, that's hilarious.
That's cool though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's do a hyperlapse. Have you ever used like any of these quick shots?
No. The only time I've flown my drone is for basic need.
So this one's a good one. We'll use this one.
I used that earlier, actually.
The Helix.
I'm the Helix, but like, oh, but no.
This
If it wrecks it, then what?
Then I rest it.
Well, then is it your fault?
No, this one's really good for speed ramping.
Oh yeah, because it's the same spot.
But yeah, but what it does is it corkscrews out, so it's gonna get like further away.
Oh yeah, that'll work cool.
But it does it perfectly instead of trying to like do it yourself.
Oh yeah, then you could just reverse it. Look at this. Hold on, let me focus it. Would y'all live here? Like, look at this space. Ouch. And these things are gonna be garage doors. And there's him ruining it here. And there's a kitchen right. This is outrageous. Look at these doors. I mean, you kidding me? Look at these doors. Wow. Back to Ryer. You're gonna have a fun time editing all this footage. We've been here longer than normal.
All right, this is gonna run for 11 minutes and then we're done. And you did wide on the drone too, right?
Yeah. They're not in focus. There you are. There you go. What do you have to say?
I'm sad. Sad.
Why are you sad?
The drone just went kaput.
The drone just went kaput. The drone just went kaput.
Well, you told me not to be sad, so.
I know, but like, we're really bad at keeping drones alive. 44 Media is just not meant to have drones. This will be the last time we fly a drone.
Half us is gone.
Yeah, not today. We actually have to fly the drone later today.
Yeah. I got all this dust on my thing.
Yeah, get used to it.
When do you think you're gonna tell your wife?
Yeah, I'll tell her today.
Oh, fresh off the steamer.
Yeah, no, she's my best friend. I'll tell her everything. Nah, I'm not getting another one though.
No, you're not. It ain't worth it.
Well, honestly, like for what we do, that black one is
That's
perfect.
fine. Yeah.
All right, this vlog's running too long for me to edit, so we're gonna fly the drone and end it. Take her away.
Ryan messed up a drone. Ryan messed up a drone. Ryan,
We already know that. Whatever.